Far too often, high schools and colleges lack a systematic approach to writing composition. Because of this, many students remain at a superficial writing level. To address this issue, the Alan Hidalgo team has worked very diligently to not only present a detailed writing composition system, complete with graphic organizers and templates, but also to explain the critical thinking and the rhetorical techniques behind the system. Because we all know that students can only become powerful writers when they take ownership of their writing. And this only comes when they actually understand which formats and rhetorical techniques are the most effective and why they are the most effective means of communication. This dilemma of superficial writing is especially felt when students attempt the most common and applicable essay response, which we know as the argument essay. And in large part, this dilemma is produced by the schools themselves, because most high schools and college essay grading rubrics are characterized by subjectivity and ambiguity. For example, on the SBAC argument essay, an effective argument is measured by its comprehensive evidence, its logical progression of ideas, but upon reflection, questions immediately arise. For example, how is the validity of the evidence actually measured? And how do we know if the ideas presented are logical? And finally, what if the ideas are logical, but they're immoral? To clarify and perfect the argument essay, the Hidalgo argument essay grading system is composed of 3 weighted discourse rubrics. Unlike other commonly used rubrics, they are organized in the following manner. Rubric 1, the organization of the essay is worth a total of 25%. This rubric emphasizes the format and the mechanics of the essay in great detail. Rubric 2, the argument structure is worth a total of 50%. This is the heart of the argument essay. This rubric emphasizes the following key components that construct a powerful argument. Information accessed, logical interpretation of the information, and moral reasoning. And within each of these components are a detailed hierarchy of levels which provide unmatched clarity. Rubric 3, the rhetoric of the essay is worth a 25%. Rubric is style. Essays should be interesting. They should show the style, the personality of the writer. So this rubric emphasizes rhetorical strategies, devices, and diction.
So what the textbook has done for me is it prevents many different argument structures. Through that, I've been able to analyze what my argument structure is and kind of learn more about the other ones.
I could definitely tell from when I first started, I was an average writer, but by the time I was done with my class, I was profound with my writing. There's definitely areas that I noticed from the beginning till now.
Synthesized, all 3 rubrics enable the instructor to objectively and precisely evaluate an argument essay with such clarity that it doesn't only demonstrate a clarity and objectivity to the instructor, but to the student as well.